Said, little bitch, you can fuck with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is red bottoms, these is bloody shoes. Hit the school, I can get them both, I don't wanna choose. And I'm quick, cut a nigga off, so don't get comfortable. Look, I don't dance now, I make money move. Say I don't gotta dance, I make money move. If I see you now speak, that means I don't fuck with you. I'm a boss, you a worker.
Desert Miller and Garen, and we went and explored an abandoned place, and I have a few clips just that way, so finish watching it because it gets really interesting. Yes, I went to Ponderosa too.
We'll be coming back for that, guys. If this video does good, we'll come back. Tell your friends, share it on Facebook, everything. We'll come back and go under. We'll go in the basement.
So guys, so we're going to Ponderosa.
You gotta hold it sideways.
I can do what I want with it.
Well, I gotta use your video.
Anyways, and we're going to eat whoever can eat the most. Challenge.
Come on, babe.
Gucci flip flops, Frankie hit your bitch in massage. This a big white, diamond dripping off the top. You six sock, with a sign, drop in the top. If it's in it, twist ass, turn the shit up a notch. 'Cause when you look at me with those eyes, I'm speechless. Every favorite song. Can I get you climbing up in the cab of this truck? Yeah, you know it's on, know it's on. Show you inside of these. So we're definitely at an abandoned place, and we're in Blackwell, which is a haunted place also. You guys want to go to the tiny one first?
No. Let's start out big. This is sketch, dude.
Holy fudge.
Alright, so this just looks so sketchy, dude.
It's so cool looking.
Light on.
Anybody else scared?
No.
Alright, that's
I wonder
right.
if you get up top, because there's a
Oh, it's all muddy. Well, we can't.
What is this?
There has to be a way to get there.
Is this rope?
Hopefully we find some good finds.
Hopefully.
My new shoes.
That's why I wear old shoes.
Is that the top?
I'm going up there.
I am too. So we're in the top of the barn.
Follow this.
There's Devin down there. There's a ladder to go up there.
is like a rope of some sort.
We're kind of scared to walk anywhere because there's a big old hole over there and there's a whole bunch of hay, so we don't know where we're gonna step.
Seems pretty sturdy, but like.
So we're gonna climb down and then we're gonna explore the rest around here and then go back on the bottom. We're just looking outside. There's another one over here too.
Tag over there too.
Yeah, there's another building behind this one too.
What?
And I think this is just an old barn where this is the building. We went up top and bottom, and now we're on our way to our second one out of like 4 or 5.
Yeah, like 4
There's an old gate with like a bunch of down or something. There's gotta be some by the top. That's what's scary. That's what they come out with.
fun.
Making our way over to this side here. Oh wow! Look at that. Yeah.
So it's an old car. Dang.
So this ain't really much, just stuff like
So we're made it to our third building. From the outside of this. Let's go.
Let's check the shed out first, I guess.
There's a basement, guys.
Oh my god.
Oh, fuck.
It's full of water. There's a ladder.
It's like a well.
Let's see.
Let's see what.
Is there a door
Oh, there's a
back
door. Yeah.
I'm not going. Who else is going there?
Oh,
I would if it wasn't full of water.
Yeah, I've got shoes on. We might have to come back to the room. Okay, there's a.
If we get like so many views on this, we will come back and go in the basement.
Yeah. Oh.
The back door's unlocked, guys.
Decide on what how many views we get.
Yeah, I'll say.
Oh, sorry, Devin. Okay, what's inside?
Nothing really, just
Old stuff.
Even though it went to the air.
Okay, let's go to that shed. We'll make the shed the last one. But let's go inside.
that's scary. Oh, here's the entrance to it.
Do you want to rip it up?
No, let's save it for like we'll
We'll go down there in a little bit.
Don't feel like that in the house too, but.
no, we'll save if we get so many. Alright, so this says keep out, so clearly we're not supposed to.
Don't trespass and keep it out.
Oh my god. There's a way to the basement, guys. Here's the way to the basement. If on my video, 100 views, maybe a little less.
For my video, I'll say
Okay, I'm just gonna say if this video does good, we'll go down there.
Desiree, don't go out yet. Alright, no sneak peeks yet, Desiree.
Guys, the floor's all fell.
Guys, look.
Oh.
That's awesome.
There's an old ass stove here. I want to walk on here like I do, but
Let's take a chance,
there's
guys.
an attic too.
Oh.
I want to walk in here, but it looks like it's gonna fall through. So
My heart's racing.
Desiree, you go first. You're the lightest.
You don't like this. How much do you weigh, Desiree? How much do you weigh, Desiree? Let's
Like
find out.
100.
It's just like all torn down. Oh my god, this whole room is just like fell in.
You guys want to see if the front door works? Because it's like a good flooring over there.
Yeah, let's go around.
Found another entrance. Look at what I found. One of these old vacuum cleaners.
It's a vacuum cleaner, an old bed, I think.
Yeah, it's no
Be careful, guys.
Glass broken everywhere.
Very careful.
Oh god!
Huh.
Look at this.
Yeah.
Oh, oh.
So it looks like it got very flooded and it was a good downstairs once.
At least be a cat.
Oh god, there's just a chair sitting behind the door. That's like scary.
Yeah, I got one question. Why is this couch flipped over?
I don't know, it's crazy.
Maybe someone got mad or something like that.
Also, if you guys like these videos, tell me. We'll do more videos like this. We'll find abandoned places and stuff to go through.
Look at this.
All the windows are boarded up.
Where's the front door, guys?
I'll say this is a fun
This
door.
wasn't the front door. There's another
Yeah,
one.
this is the front door, I think, and this is like a little mud room.
Look over here.
Ah. Looks like this be a little chicken house or something. Kind of want to find something good in here. It'd be pretty cool. Guys, we're back from the abandoned place. Garen's watching his over because it got a little creepy part in it, and it like made him sound demonic AF, and kind of makes us not want to go back. But if we get more than like 50 likes or so, we're gonna go back. So yeah, so check that out.
This a big watch, diamonds dripping off of the clock. Pull the 6 out, wintertime, dropping the top. Give it to they pussy ass.